Thousands of people have turned out in the streets of Mumbai to pay their homage to Balasaheb Thackeray, the leader of the Shiv Sena. His funeral procession has now reached Mahim in Mumbai. I'm joined by Vidya. She is at the Shiv Sena Bhavan and she's joining us at this time. Vidya, describe to our viewers, we're seeing these images of literally hundreds of thousands of people coming out in the streets all across Mumbai. By when is this cottage expected to reach the Shiv Sena Bhavan, and what do you see around you, Vidya?
Well, Rahul, since morning we have been seeing just about every road, every train is leading just to the other. In fact, if I can just show you this road right outside Shiv Sena Bhavan is just teeming with people. They have been increasing by the number, by the minute. In fact, this very road that you see is the one on which is coming all the way from Mahim, and it should take anywhere between half an hour to 45 minutes for the entire procession to reach Shiv Sena Bhavan. But as you can see, there are balconies that people are peeping out of. There are, people standing on the road, and in fact, they're moving towards the procession so they can catch the procession early. In fact, this is that very road I have seen, Balasaheb Thackeray, when he used to move from here, people just tried touching his cart, just to get some bit of Balasaheb Thackeray that they could get. And here, as you can see right now, are those posters, umpteen number of them that have been lined up here just to pay respect to their leader, and it will be around 45 minutes later that we'll see the procession reaching Shiv Sena Bhavan.
I'm also looking at these pictures, and if you look at the age composition of a lot of the people who are coming in, they're very young. So it isn't as if Balasaheb Thackeray's appeal was only restricted to the middle-aged people, who saw Balasaheb Thackeray at his prime. Even in these pictures, there's so many young people. So the Shiv Sena very clearly as an idea still evokes a lot of interest amongst a very young generation of Maharashtrians.
Well, it's certainly, in fact, just take a look outside, the head count just says it a lot in itself. In fact, the number of people